unprecedented devastation, Typhoon Bebinca brings Shanghai to its knees. When nature unleashes its fury, even the most resilient cities can crumble. Typhoon Bebinca, the strongest storm to hit Shanghai in 75 years, has slammed into the financial hub, bringing it to a near standstill and leaving a trail of unprecedented destruction. You won't believe the extent of the chaos this storm has caused. All flights departing from the city's 2 airports after 8 p.m. on Sunday were abruptly canceled. Major attractions, including Disneyland, shut their doors, and high-speed train lines screeched to a halt. The bustling metropolis, known for its never-ending hustle, suddenly found itself at a terrifying standstill. But that's just the beginning. With winds roaring at about 94 miles per hour near the storm's center, Bebinca toppled trees like dominoes and tore down billboards. Shocking videos flooding social media reveal skyscrapers with their cladding ripped off and power poles violently uprooted. The sheer force of the wind is unlike anything residents have ever witnessed. Imagine witnessing your city being dismantled piece by piece. The Shanghai Meteorological Observatory reported that some areas saw nearly 3 inches of rain in just 1 hour on Monday morning. Streets transformed into rivers, and over 414,000 people were urgently evacuated from their homes. In the nearby city of Xi'an, the situation was equally dire. Restaurants, supermarkets, and shops closed their doors early, and public transport services were suspended indefinitely. Can you fathom an entire city forced to shut down? Shanghai is rarely in the direct path of typhoons, which usually strike further south. This unexpected assault has left officials scrambling. Although they expect the storm to weaken by tonight and move westward, the timing couldn't be worse. The typhoon struck during China's 3-day Mid-Autumn Festival holiday, a crucial period for consumer spending, something the country desperately needs as its economy shows signs of slowing down. The economic ripple effects could be catastrophic. Citizens have taken to social media to share harrowing stories of being stranded in hotels. Parades scheduled for the tourism festival on Sunday and Monday were canceled, dampening spirits and hopes for economic relief. The city's news agency reported that Bebinca caused significant damage across Shanghai, toppling more than 1,800 trees and leaving 30,000 households without power. The numbers keep climbing, and so does the despair. In Suzhou, located in Jiangsu province, authorities suspended all food delivery services, leaving many without access to meals. Nanjing halted all large-scale events and outdoor construction, ordering boats off the Yangtze River as a precautionary measure. The widespread disruptions are adding to China's already extensive weather challenges this year. Is this the new normal for China's climate? Some regions have been battling back-to-back droughts and floods, and the country recorded its hottest July since at least 1961. As Bebinca hovers over Shanghai, the city's meteorological bureau has issued a grim warning. Another storm appears to be brewing where Bebinca began, and could hit Shanghai and surrounding areas later this week. One disaster after another. When will it end? Earlier this month, another typhoon, Yagi, killed at least 4 people and injured 995 as it ravaged the southern Chinese island of Hainan, according to the National Weather Agency. Bebinca also swept through Japan and the central and southern Philippines, where falling trees claimed 6 more lives. The entire region is reeling from these relentless storms. As we witness the unfolding calamity, it's a stark reminder of nature's unforgiving power. Our thoughts are with those affected by Typhoon Bebinca and all the other devastating weather events this year. Stay safe out there. If you found this update informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest weather updates every day. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos. Take care and be prepared for any weather conditions. See you in the next update.